Back to embarrassing myself in front of the entire internet. Today, we're not necessarily playing anything, but we are going to be on Scratch. So this game is like a little coding website or app that you can use and like make your own games and share online. So I made myself a little game right here called Untitled Dodging Game. It's pretty simple, really. You just pretty much just go in, give it a sec. See a warning, you gotta like, oh, dang it, you gotta like go over and dodge it. It doesn't really require much skill, mostly quite a bit of luck, hoping that it always stays in the same spot. There are no patterns to this anyway, this is like completely random. Yeah, see? And if you miss it, of course, bam, you'll get a game over message. Pretty cool, eh? Show you your score, game over, show you which one you missed it on. It'll even show a cool little animation if you saw that. Yes, we'll go back. Yeah. So I pretty much just spent my whole morning working on this. So like, if you want a tutorial, then you clicked on the right video, I guess. Don't really know what to do. Alright, so... Dang it. Alright, so first off what I did was I established movement. So I made it so that whenever you press the up key, it'll change the up-down variable. So if you go up, then it'll make it like that. And as we can see over here, it'll like set off everything, make sure everything's alright. It'll set you to the right position. And then when the game is on, it will change your Y position, which is like up and down, by whatever this one is. So if we go up, it'll add it by 10, and we can't go any further because of this little if then block. Now if we go down, it'll change to -10. That's pretty much how the movement works. This is the like testing. It'll always be testing to see if it is touching red, which is what the blocks are. And if it is touching red, then it'll turn the game off. It'll set your movement to 0. And since this will only activate when the game is on, it will not move. And then it will play the little animation, and then it'll hide the sprite. I haven't been able to get this one to hide it, but to hide once the game is over. But I just made it into a feature. So pretty much what it does is whenever it's like the main part of itself will hide. So what it'll do is it'll like do the game over screen. It'll hide this part, which is pretty much just shows you what your score was. It'll switch. At first, it'll hide it so that you can't see it. And it'll set the backdrop to this regular white screen, and then forever, it will test to see if the game is off. And if it is off, then it will set your score was to score, or what this one is. And then I'll set it to the game over screen, and it'll show what your score was. That's pretty much the whole game. Link in the description to actually play it. And yeah, that should be it.